Imagine you are breathing air that looks perfectly clear, with no dust, smoke, or visible irritants. What if that seemingly fresh air was actually slowly depriving your body of the essential oxygen it needs, without you even realizing it? This unseen threat can be particularly dangerous for your lung health, especially if you live with conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Carbon monoxide, often called the silent killer, poses a serious threat to lung health by directly impairing the body's ability to transport oxygen. This colorless and odorless gas is extremely dangerous because it reduces the amount of oxygen that reaches your vital organs, including your lungs, making it especially hazardous for anyone, and critically so for individuals managing existing respiratory conditions such as COPD. The core mechanism behind carbon monoxide's danger lies in its interaction with your red blood cells. When inhaled, carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen, about 200 to 250 times more strongly than oxygen does. This creates a compound called carboxyhemoglobin, which essentially prevents hemoglobin from picking up and delivering oxygen throughout your body. For your lungs, this means less oxygen is available for lung tissue function and repair, exacerbating symptoms like shortness of breath and fatigue, and significantly stressing an already compromised respiratory system. Given this critical impact, there are vital steps you can take to protect your lung health from carbon monoxide. The primary defense is installing carbon monoxide detectors on every level of your home, especially near sleeping areas. Remember to check their batteries regularly, at least twice a year, just as you would with smoke detectors. Also, ensure that fuel-burning appliances, like furnaces, water heaters, and gas dryers, are inspected annually by a qualified technician to confirm they are venting properly and not leaking this dangerous gas into your living spaces. Understanding that carbon monoxide directly competes with oxygen in your bloodstream provides an insider view into why it is so lethal, particularly for those with chronic lung conditions. This immediate and strong binding to hemoglobin means that even low levels of exposure can quickly accumulate in your blood, leading to significant oxygen deprivation. The body's natural defense mechanisms are often too slow to counteract this rapid displacement of oxygen, highlighting the critical need for proactive prevention rather than reaction. By taking proactive steps to monitor and prevent carbon monoxide exposure in your home, you are directly safeguarding your lung capacity and ensuring your body receives the oxygen it needs to function effectively. These simple actions offer a powerful way to reduce significant strain on your respiratory system, helping you to breathe easier and maintain a better quality of life, especially when managing conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.